Hey guys, van build number 12. Something horrible's happened. I've got a leak, which I haven't had before until I put the carpet around the edge of the lip, and I bought a new rubber, but even with the old rubber it happened. It's happening with the new rubber as well. And what was happening is I had the carpet in through here, that's on the inside, that's fine, and then in here and around the lip to about here. And I found that this bit here was getting wet. It happened on both sides. The other side seems to have dried a fair bit, but this side hasn't. So what I've done is cut the carpet off around the lip here, because feeling through here, it's pretty sort of dry till it comes to about here, and then it feels like a little bit damp. So I'm not sure if it's dripping down and then dripping into getting the carpet wet, and the carpet gets soggy, and then so on. I don't think it's a leak because it wasn't here before. This is all fine. Yeah, so anyway, I want to see how this goes, but if you've got any ideas or of why it could be happening, or how to fix it, you can leave a comment in the comments down below. Okay, guys, back to van build 12, nearly done. Got my lino in, what we call that lino in the UK and Australia and Ireland and so on. Don't know what you call it in your country. This has to be fixed, just screwed in, cut that around here and then fit that in. This bit here, as I stated, this got wet, but anyway, I've trimmed all that and I've trimmed all the edges up to about here, underneath the rubber. We'll see how that gets on. My storage box is in there. I am going to change my bed eventually, but this will do me for now. Over here, this fits nicely into the corner here, and my old bike tube will fit in here and then fit around it somehow. I will work that out, and then that will hold that nice and steady in there. Got a light put in, so it's only a chargeable one, but that's fine. Yeah, happy. Let's have a look what I did around here. Okay, bit of a rough job, and it's still got to be finished. Anyway, I got a mat from IKEA, turned it upside down and used that for here. Screwed this back in, put this around the edge. As you can see, this is what it was like, so this has to come down somehow. Unfortunately, this is curved, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll maybe just square it off, and then I'll put another piece of this metal stuff in through here, fix that off, and that'll be fine. Bit rough and ready. Here, what I could have done, and I never thought about it until late, is sort of extend that through here, cut it off. I might do that because I have to buy another one of these anyway to fill it in, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, this is it so far. Quite happy with it, and there we go.